Okay, welcome to Call of Duty Jatisari. Now I will explain to you about how to make good fruit of banana. Okay, this is a banana. Is going to produce the fruit, yeah. Okay, and now the banana should have maintenance to make better. Yeah, you know, this is the heart of a banana. We should cut it so the fruit will be growing up fastly. Yeah, faster before. Okay. We should cut this heart of the banana like this. This one. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay. This is heart of banana, and look at that. Okay, we can use it as what is for you? You can cook it as your dinner. Yeah, this is you can make it the apa? Make it soap with the milk of coconut, and you can fry it and you can eat it. Okay, this is we can eat it. Okay, thank you. If you think this video is useful, please share it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And look at that, this is can be reload as a bazooka. Yeah.